Hi, boys and girls. Our phonics pattern for the week is initial three-letter blends. An initial three-letter blend is three consonants side by side before the vowel. Each consonant in a three-letter blend is pronounced.
Juno.
Please write your name at the top of your paper. Our first three-letter blend is the word sprint. Please stretch the word sprint with me. S, p, r, I, n, t. Sprint. How many sounds did you hear? That's right, 6 sounds. Please put 6 sound dots for the word sprint. Let's write the word sprint. S, p, r, I, n, t. Sprint. Do you see those 3 consonants at the beginning of the word before the vowel? These are the 3 consonants together before the vowel. It's called an initial three-letter blend. Please write the word sprint next to number 1. Our next word is the word strip. Please finger stretch the word strip with me. S, t, r, I, p. Strip. How many sounds did you hear? That's right, 5 sounds. So that's 5 sound dots. S, t, r, I, p. Strip. Please write the word strip on number 2. Our next 3-letter blend word is the word scrub. Please finger stretch the word scrub. S, k, r, b. Scrub. There are 5 sounds in the word scrub. So we are going to use 5 sound boxes. Please spell out the word scrub. S, k, r, b. Scrub. Please write the word scrub next to number 3. Our fourth 3-letter blend word is the word strap. Please finger stretch the word strap. S, t, r, a, p. Strap. There are 5 sounds in the word strap. So we need 5 sound boxes. Please write the word strap, putting 1 sound in each box. S, t, r, a, p. Strap. Please write the word strap on number 4. S, t, r, a, p. Strap. Our 5th 3-letter blend word is the word split. Please finger stretch the word split. S, p, l, I, t. Split. There are 5 sounds in the word split. Please write the word split. S, split. And do you see those 3 consonants side by side before the vowel? There's our 3-word initial blend. Please write the word split on number 5. Our 6th word is the word splat. Please finger stretch the word splat. S-p-l-a-t. Splat. There are 5 sounds in the word splat. Let's put 1 sound in each box. S-p-l-a-t. Splat. You'll notice, boys and girls, that the word splat and the word split right above it both have an initial 3-letter blend, S-P-L. Please write the word splat on number 6. The next word that we're going to do is the word strut. Please finger stretch the word strut. S-t-r-u-t. There are 5 sounds in the word strut. So we are going to use 5 sound boxes. Please put your sound dots. Let's write the word strut, putting 1 sound in each sound box. S-t-r-u-t. Strut. Please write the word strut on number 7. All right, our next word is the word scram. Finger stretch. S-k-r-a-m. Scram. We need 5 sound boxes, so please put 5 sound dots for the word scram. S-k-r-a-m. Scram. We're going to write the word scram on number 8. Remember, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Our next word is the word sprig. Let's finger stretch the word sprig. S-p-r-i-g. Sprig. We need 5 sound dots for the word sprig. S-p-r-i-g. Sprig. Please write the word sprig on number 9. Our last word for the day is going to be the word strum. Strum. Finger stretch. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. There are 5 sounds in the word strum, so we need 5 sound boxes. S-t-r-u-m. Strum. Please write the word strum on number 10. All right, my friends, this is a review page from last few weeks of 2-letter blends. So you can see here that you were going to color the TR words in our word box. If it has a T blend, like the word tram, you will color it yellow. Flag. There's no T blend. Let's read the next word. train. Oh, there's that T blend right at the initial part of the word. Initial means beginning. Please finish this section by yourself. Spin, read, and write, and the word bank. You did great today, boys and girls. Move on to Lexia when you are finished, and please turn your paper into your mailbox. Way to go.